Hey, how's it going, guys? It is Money Menu with HTX TV coming at you with another live update. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a few people to chime in here in a few minutes. How you guys doing this evening? Yeah, just yeah, pretty good Thursday evening. Decided to hop on just a little bit earlier. All right. Hey, how's it going, teacher mamas? How's it going? Doing awesome. Doing great. Yep. I guess that doesn't look too great. There we go. There we go, a little bit closer. Yeah, I looked at it last night and it looks like yeah, for some reason, yeah, it looked kind of far yesterday. I watched a little bit of it. There we go. And today I decided not to have any pasta, so my throat feels yeah, not as coffee or clogged as they say. So, but yeah, today we're gonna yeah, just go over some of the basic let me put this a little higher. There we go. A little bit of headroom. Yeah, today we're going to go over the stimulus package update, go over some cryptocurrency news, and also stock market news. Yeah, and see where the markets are at. Um, I know yesterday when we looked at them, they kind of had like a 600 point increase since they were saying, um, I guess since the the president was feeling better from COVID, um, somehow it affected the markets to increase or come back in the plus. So we'll see if that keeps going or, you know, see if it doesn't. All right. We'll go ahead and give a few minutes for let a few people chime in here. Yep. We got my HTX TV shirt on today. Decided to switch it out. I was kind of doing the black shirt for a while. Wanted to change things up just a little bit. All right. Cool. So yeah, let me yeah. So yeah, pretty much today I'm kind of do it a little bit like I've been doing it. Just kind of go over some general information. We can just chat about it, kind of interact with you guys and kind of get your input on things. Yeah, and just kind of chat about it a little bit. See if Sorry about that. Okay, teacher mama. I checked out Robinhood investing. Oh, and the investing app. Oh, okay, cool. So, what did you checked it out? Was it have you have you started doing any investments yet, or was it pretty simple? Oh, okay. Oh, nice, nice. So you checked it out. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to sign up and everything. Sweet. That's awesome. All right. Well, oops, don't want to spill my coffee. Yeah, so today, yeah, before we go and get into everything, I yeah, we today was a pretty good sports day. Um actually, yeah, the I'm pretty much an American League guy for baseball, so I'm an Astros fan and Astros pulled it out. They beat the Oakland A's, which was it was a really good game. I mean, my hats off definitely to the Oakland Athletics. Those guys those guys put up a fight. I mean, they just hitting home runs like crazy. Actually, pretty much every single game, I think maybe except maybe the third game, they scored first every single time, or the second game or something like that. But they pretty much scored every time first, and they hit nothing but a lot of home runs. I guess the today they even start off with a 3-run homer. I was like, wow, these guys are relentless. But the Stros came out victorious, which was awesome, and then they just kept hitting and kept battling, and because I'm pretty sure they pretty much knew that once they you know just like the other day they went up the only game that they lost to the A's in the series, they went up 7-4, and they had a 3-point lead, and then they lost it. They you know obviously they lost the game 9-7. So the Oakland A's they're a beast of a team. So definitely my hats off go to them. A lot of people talk about the whole fire situation. It's whatever. That's in the past. It's gone. You know, it is what it is. So that series is over. They're going on to the ALCS, and the I watched a little bit of the Yankees and the Tampa Bay Rays, and the tonight the Yankees pulled it off. I believe it was 5-1. So now they're tied 2-2. So it'll be exciting to see tomorrow. I believe they play tomorrow for the last and final game of that series, and it'd be nice to see who wins, who the Astros are going to play. If it's because actually last year the Astros played the Tampa Bay in a yeah, they played them in the division series. So they actually played both teams last year. So I'm not really sure if it's the exact players. I'm pretty sure most of the Yankees are. Um, I know Gardner. Gardner's on there. Um, Judge, um, and all the other players. I'm pretty sure they have the same catcher. I haven't really. I'll definitely be watching tomorrow. But yeah, so that should be exciting. They're actually playing in San Diego, which will be kind of cool. So that'll be, I believe, that's starting Sunday. So that'll be exciting. Um, and yeah, definitely hats off to the Oakland A's. They're those guys easily. The series, easily could have went either way. I mean, it was a really high scoring series. They said there was like over, I think, 30 or 40 runs scored the whole series. That's a lot of offense. Just tough batters, pretty much. I mean, the pitchers were pitching great. It's just, man, those every both sides were hitting really well. and yeah, the Yankees and the Rays, they're coming down to the wire the very last game. So yeah, we'll definitely see how that goes. But alrighty, let's let me go ahead and look into. Let me go and pull up a first article. All right, let me see here. Pull up this. There we go. All right. Alrighty. Here we go. As Trump pushes for a second $1,200 stimulus check, glitch keeps thousands of TurboTax users from getting first check. After shutting down negotiations on a larger stimulus package, President Donald Trump sent out a message on Twitter this week saying he would sign a standalone bill for a second $1,200 stimulus check. Trump wrote, if I am sent a standalone bill for a stimulus check for 1200, they will go out to our great people immediately. However, nearly 6 months after the first round of stimulus checks were approved, thousands of Texans are still waiting for their payment. This is a local article. I waited and waited and it never came, said Caroline Hembry of Louisville. It's been totally frustrating. I didn't get my first check, so I'm sure I won't get a second. Hembry is one of the Hembry is one of an unknown number of taxpayers who did not receive a stimulus. A stimulus check because of a computer glitch that caused a box on their tax return to be mistakenly checked. Ooh. The IRS told CBS 11 team it is aware of the issue with some who use TurboTax to file their 2019 tax return. The CBS 11 team discovered when people filed their taxes, a glitch caused the box for a spouse claimed as a dependent to be erroneously checked. When even more puzzling is why or what would prevent someone from getting their stimulus check, a person cannot get a stimulus check if they're claimed as a dependent by someone else. Ooh, yeah, you definitely got to watch that one as well. Actually, one of the other videos we did, one of the subscribers, uh, he said that he didn't get a check, but I asked him, if he was a dependent of somebody, so that could also alter the you getting a check or not. In a statement, it says, but the box checked is not about the person; it's about their spouse. Oh, okay. In a statement, the IRS told the hold on, I forgot to check my sound. There you go. Yeah, I'm not sure if that my I had my speaker on low, so not sure if that helps, but I put it a little bit higher. In a statement, the IRS told the I team, we are aware of the issue and working with TurboTax to determine the next steps to resolve the issue for this small number of impacted taxpayers. We expect more information will be available in the near future. Okay. Online message boards are filled with hundreds of people reporting the same issue. Hembry said for months she was unable to get through to the IRS. Oh, wow. Months. Wow, that's a long time. um, it was only after she saw on the news a story about the computer glitch that she realized the same thing was preventing her from getting her check. The IRS says those who experience the glitch will have to claim their stimulus payment next year when they file their 2020 taxes. Wow. I don't understand how the IRS can send a stimulus check to people that are decreased or deceased, but you can send it to people, you can't send it to people that are living, Embry said. For some people, this could actually put them in a bind, and that's horrible. Right. Yeah, it's crazy how they send. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. It's crazy how they send some to people that weren't even alive. It's like how do you not know somebody maybe that did not do their taxes or um, yeah, it's pretty wild. Um, yeah. Meanwhile, as some wait on their first check, both political parties, both oh, I lost my spot. Both political parties appear to support a second round of checks, but experts say seeing them before the election seems unlikely. Ooh. Yeah, I know. We're already. I mean, it's today's the 8th or October 8th, or pretty much on about to be October 9th, approaching mid October. Actually, we're a little bit less. Yeah, we're already less than a month away from the election. However, if a bill for a stimulus check quickly makes it through the House and Senate after the election, payments could go through direct deposit as early as December 7th. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. So they're saying basically it could be like an early Christmas present. So okay, I believe that was the end of that article. That one was pretty good. Alrighty, well, let me see if I can. Yeah, we're being by the Texas Gulf Coast. There is another hurricane already coming through. I'm like, man, will these hurricanes give it a rest? But yeah, it's seems like it might end up hitting. They're saying it's going to end up hitting Louisiana again, which those guys have already got hit like at least I think twice already this year. But you never know. It could make a turn this way. You always got to be prepared. They're saying maybe Friday morning. We'll see how it looks. But it says, yeah, here it says Hurricane Delta now a Category 3 storm as it moves closer to landfall. Wow. All right. Let me. Wow, there's tons of crazy headlines. Man's leg swelled to the size of a pig after getting bitten by a mosquito. Oh, wow. That looks pretty wild. That doesn't even look like a leg. Oh, man. But yeah, let me see if I can find some stock news. Or, or actually, let me see if there's any more updates. So that article is saying December the 7th, you might get an early check or an early direct deposit. Okay. I think this article actually might have a little more breakdown. With election day on November 3rd quickly approaching, the president shut down talks this week and called for Congress to pass, yeah, the standalone bill. So they're all saying definitely looking like a standalone bill is going to be passed soon. Give Americans a second stimulus check. Okay, not bad. Both parties have proposed trillions of dollars in stimulus aid, but remain divided over how much money is needed to keep the country afloat. Democrats plan to provide 2.2 trillion in relief, while the White House. Oh, my background. There we go. I figure I'd stick with this one because it's a little darker. Maybe that other one with the world spinning, it's like super bright. I don't want to blind you guys. I think later this week I'm gonna probably look into, yeah, maybe tonight or tomorrow I may look into having another background. All right, here we go here. Says the details of how that money would be distributed are hotly debated, yet both sides agree on another round of checks. According to Garrett Watson, a senior policy analyst at the Tax Foundation, there is broad agreement about the potential for standalone payments, said Watson. Both parties are in favor of direct payments modeled closely after the first checks that were issued under the CARES Act that passed in March, according to Watson. Check out this video to learn how likely Congress is to pass a stimulus bill before the election and see what could happen if the November 3rd election occurs before new checks are approved. Okay. Yeah, so that's actually looking pretty good. I mean, the fact that they're saying now that, yeah, multiple sources. Oh, 1 second. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna quick. Hello. Hey, what's going on? I'm actually in a live right now. Okay, cool. Yeah, were you gonna head this way or? Hey guys, it's actually Captain Cash on the phone. Say what's up. Yeah, he just hung up. Cool. I'll chat with him later. I think he said he might be joining us here in a bit. So cool. Um. All right. I was rude. Sorry, guys. I was rudely interrupted by Captain Cash. but um. But no, like I was saying, I mean, it looks like actually they're looking to do something, and regardless of them not, agreeing on the 2.2 trillion and the 1.6 trillion or whatever, you know, I believe it looks like they're actually going to pass something and have something like right probably during the middle of the holidays or maybe early Christmas. That would be real nice. A real nice early Christmas present. And my birthday is before Christmas, so maybe it could be early uh, birthday present for me. So, all right, yeah, let me go and take five here real quick. I'm gonna get some more coffee, and we'll just kind of chat a little bit more. Um, we'll go into the stock market and see kind of what the stock market's looking like when I get back here in a few minutes. All right. All right. Cool. So let me go ahead and look up. Actually, I'm gonna do it here. Go and pull up some stock news. Here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the stock market news. All right. Okay, there we go. Let's check this out here. Oh man. So the Dow. Oh, nice. So pretty much everything's in the green except Apple and Citigroup Incorporated. Except Apple and Citigroup Incorporated. Yeah, there's a few more. All right, let's start this out. The Dow shows a 43% increase. Right now, the Dow is traded at $28,425. It's at a plus $122 increase. That's good. The Nasdaq is at a 50% increase. That's good. It's priced right now at $11,420, and it's a plus $56. That's good. The S&P is at 80% increase. That's really good. My goodness, Trader City right there. All you traders out there, woo! Right now is the time to do it. Yeah, you got 40, 50, and 80% increases. $3,446. The S&P is traded at right now. It's $27 increase. And like I said, Apple Incorporated, it's minus 13%. It's down. Right now, it's traded at $114.93. And the next popular stock is Citigroup Incorporated. It is right now it's priced at $44.71 and it's down 29%. Next popular stock is General Electric Company. Is priced at $6.64. And this one is actually in the green. It's a plus 5.2% increase. And Alphabet Inc. Is traded at $1,483. It's at a 1.66% increase, just a little bit. And Microsoft Corporation right now is traded at $210.61, and that is a 37% increase. Pretty nice. A small increase, but which General Electric is a little over 5%. That's pretty good. All right. All right. Oil right now is priced at $41 per barrel. It is down 44%. Okay, and I'm going to go to another commodity here. The euro is still a dollar 18 compared to the dollar. It's at a right now it's at a plus 0.09 9-cent increase. And gold right now is traded at $1,915.40, and it's at a 1.7% increase, that's pretty good for gold. All right. Yeah, 1 second, real quick. I'm gonna take some water. There we go. And so these next few stocks are some gainers and some losers, and so you got a little mixture. Um, what I've seen most people do in the past is most traders kind of look for something to hit at least a 5%, 5 to 20% increase before they start trading it. And actually, all of these are above 5% of the gainers, and of the losers. I guess the good thing with the losers in the long run, if you keep your money, if you buy it while it's in the dip, obviously you could make money as more of a long term trade or long term investment. Oh yeah, and gas is at $2.64, and it's at a plus 42%. And silver is traded at $24.42 and a plus 2.28%. Not bad. Corn is priced at $390.25 at a plus 84%. Oh wow, that's corn. Corn is going up. So all right, let me see. Yeah, let me go and go over the gainers. Uh, First one is Occidental Petroleum Corporation. It's at a 8.75% increase. And the next one is DXC Technology Company. It's at a 8.41% increase. Halliburton Company is at a 7.3% increase. Marathon Petroleum Corporation is at a 6.5% increase. And DTE Energy Company is at a 6.43 increase. Not bad. Those are all the gainers. All right, let me check out the losers of the day. And this is for the end of the market for Thursday. The losers, Domino's Pizza Incorporated is at a minus 6.97%, and Borg Borg Warner Incorporated is at a negative 3.49% decrease. Baxter International Incorporated is at a negative 3.43% decrease. Carnival Corporation is at a negative 2.38% decrease. And last of the losers is Simon Property Group Incorporated. It's at a negative 1.3%. Not too bad. So they must have just went under as the market was finishing that day earlier today. The Canadian dollar is still at a 76 cents compared to the US dollar. British pound, I believe that is Captain Cash calling. Hello? Hey, what's going on? Still doing it. You're live. Yeah, Captain Cash said you probably can't hear him, but Captain Cash says, "What's up?" Yeah, I just went over the second stimulus check and then update, and then right now I'm just kind of finishing up with the stock report. Okay, you gonna all right. I got about yeah, all right. Cool. Such a cool guy. He couldn't make it, but called in and just to say hello to you guys. All right, let me see here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I was saying that Canadian dollar. I already said that. The British pound is $1.29 compared to the US dollar. And the Japanese yen is 106.03. And the Chinese yuan is 6.79 compared to the US dollar. So, all right. Went over those commodities. Actually, I did Simon Property Group. I did go over that. So let me see if there's any more consumer durables, technology services, communications, energy materials. Yeah, there. It shows me also a sector performance, which actually that's pretty interesting. I guess I've been ignoring that on this website for some reason. But yeah, let me check this out real quick. I guess sector performance. Let me go over that before I finish with the stock report. Yeah, and then after that, we can chat a little bit of cryptocurrency, and then call it a day. So here's the sector performance, which I have never done, but gonna looks like I'll start chatting about it now. Consumer durables is at a plus 36%. Consumer durables. Transportation is at a plus 27.8%. Electronic technologies at 16.9% increase. Utilities are at 11.7 increase. I guess utilities. At the end of the day, everybody's electric bills are not small, but I guess we're approaching, early fall weather, so maybe it could slightly decrease. We'll see how that goes. Alrighty, consumer Non-durables is at 11.3%. Health services is at 11.02%. Retail trade is at 10.94%. Commercial services is at 10.6%. Finance is at Finance is at 8% increase. All of these are increase. Sorry about that, but all these perform performance sector percentages are all in the green except the very last one. So there we go. Where was I at? Yeah, health services was at 11% increase. Retail trade is at 10.9% increase. Commercial services is at a 10.6% increase. Finance is at a 8.04% increase. Technology services is at a 7.3% increase. Communications is at a plus is a 3.07% increase. And the last but not least, energy materials is actually at a decrease, and it's negative 16.9% decrease. Energy materials. Wow. So from all, I mean, there's some, um, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. Those have all increased, and let me see the percentage of popular stocks. Three out of the five are at an increase, and the ones that are negative are less than 1% decrease. So that's not that bad. So it looks like the markets are, other than the losers, which actually the biggest loser was only at negative, 6.9%. So it's not that bad. So already, let me check out some crypto news. See what we can find here. Oh, here we go. This is this was showing, this is some current crypto news. Bitcoin surges on Square News to 10.9 thousand. December Ether options pile up. Bitcoin is flashing green as Square converts some of its cash to crypto, while other options traders are making lots of bets for December expiration. Bitcoin trading around $10,890 as of 4 p.m. Eastern Time, gaining 2.1% over the previous 24 hours. Oh, nice. Bitcoin's 24-hour range has been between 10,500 to $10,962. Bitcoin above its 10-day and 50-day moving averages, a bullish signal for market technicians. Okay. Yeah, let me see if I can show you this little chart. Oh, yeah. Check out that chart, guys. See, we're right here. It's been kind of dabbling there. And then, boom, right now it's shot up today. So definitely definitely look at investing in some Bitcoin here soon. Because it looks like it's definitely going up. Bitcoin's price popped Thursday, led higher almost immediately following the announcement that payments firm Square had invested 50 million to purchase 4,709 Bitcoin. Oh wow. The development pushed the price per one Bitcoin to as high as 10,900 before settling to 10,890. Okay, as it closed, or settling around $10,890. Square put, yeah, saying, wow, so Square bought almost 5,000 Bitcoin. Right here it shows. Yeah, 4,700 and 9 Bitcoin. Wow. Square puts 1% of total assets in Bitcoin in surprise $50 million. $50 million investment. Wow. Oh, that's true. Because sheesh, 50 million. Good for them. News that Jack Dorsey's Square has purchased about 50 million worth of Bitcoin is a definite positive that appears to have driven markets higher on the back of positive sentiment, said Guy Hirsch, USA Managing Director of multi-asset brokerage eToro. Dorsey has long been an advocate of the largest cryptocurrency, and this move reaffirms his bullish stance and Square's. The stock price of Square also rose Thursday in the green to 1.8% at the close of trading today. Okay, so their stock rose as well. Seeing traditional institutional firms such as Square invest into Bitcoin to hold their balance sheet after a publicity traded company such as MicroStrategy purchased $250 to no, excuse me. No, not $250, 250 million worth of Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation brings significant credibility to Bitcoin, said Michael Gord, chief executive of trading firm Global Digital Assets. The CEO of MicroStrategy even went so far as to call Bitcoin superior to cash. Wow. If indeed these investments are a bet against fiat, the US dollar index, a measure of DXY, a measure of the greenback versus a mix of other currencies, is one metric to watch. Though it has picked up since a late August low, it's still in the relative doldrums for 2020 and was flat in the red, 0.02% as press time Thursday. The positive market sentiment has certainly translated into higher than average Bitcoin daily spot volume. Major exchanges already have 332 million in volume so far Thursday, higher than the 284 daily average in the past month. Oh, cool. While Bitcoin's volume is up Thursday, volatility remains low in the options market 6 month at the money at the ATM. Oh, all right, let me. Yeah, the ATM volatility. The difference between option strikes to the price of Bitcoin is at 65%. The last time it was that low was back on July 31st. All right. The buy pressure from institutional investors is increasing, so we are seeing a nice ramp up, said Mark Fleury, CEO of Two Prime, a crypto asset management firm. We seem to be entering an era of low volatility bull market. Not bad. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was up Thursday, trading around $351 and climbing 3.3% in 24 hours. Excuse me, guys. Either options traders are heavily betting on the asset price at the end of the year over 473,500 Ethereum and open interest is set for expiration on December 25th, which has approximately 166 million worth of options at Thursday's spot prices. Vishal Shah, an options trader and founder of derivatives exchange Alpha 5, says traders started piling up their options positions for December a while ago. It really started gearing up with DeFi a few months back, he said. There's two main reasons for the options. Bet Shaw added, it's either a levered play on DeFi doing well or as a tail hedge against impermanent losses. He said, impermanent loss is when an investor contributes to a liquidity pool and contemporary be worse off than actually just holding the asset due to protocol imbalances. Okay. Well, say protocol imbalances 10 times really fast. Um, wow. So Bitcoin has just had a big spike today. So, yeah, what we can do now is now we can see how long that actual spike is gonna stay and and if it stays or if it may stay at that spike for a while. 10,890. It's kind of been at 10,005 between 10,005 to 10,600 for a while. I think for over a month and a half. So wow, that's pretty cool. So hey, teacher mama, right? I know it's yeah, definitely definitely look into that. All right, seems like we've got a little bit of time here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, they're kind of going to see if I can see any other quick crypto news here. Okay, this is a good one. This next crypto news article goes over employees of Coinbase. Coinbase, if you guys aren't aware, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency wallet that you can, that's basically where you can purchase your initial, you know, turn your regular money to cryptocurrency, and then from there you could actually go onto a actual trading database like Binance or I know Bittrex, you know, go on a trading platform with that wallet, and then you could purchase cryptocurrencies and have it on there, and then that's where you can store it and save it, all that good stuff. 5% of Coinbase employees take severance offer over a political stance. Oh, it says Consensus 2019, powered by CoinDesk. Oh no, yeah, it's CoinDesk, I guess, is who writes this article. Coinbase has lost 60 people from its 1,200 person staff after an updated mission stated from CEO Brian Armstrong sparked fierce debate over how companies should respond to today's charged politics. In a company wide memo obtained by Coindesk, Armstrong informed employees that 5% of the company's workforce had accepted the severance package offered last week. The deadline for employees to signal their interest in the package was Wednesday, and Armstrong said he expects the number to be higher after a handful of other conversations are completed. Hmm. I know there have been many difficult conversations happening to help clarify what our apolitical culture means in practice. Armstrong wrote, it's been great to see the whole team come together to reach understanding here and support each other through it. It's not easy to get through, but I think it will result in us having a stronger and more united team. Armstrong said, "Oh wow! So basically, yeah, Coinbase used to have over 1,200 employees, which is quite a bit, and they recently lost about 60 employees." Armstrong said the company could have done a better job helping Coinbase operating group and managers understand the new mission. He also said the exit package had been taken primarily by people who were not part of Coinbase's underrepresented minority population, and that Coinbase will continue to keep a close eye on this to ensure we are building a diverse inclusive environment where everyone feels they belong. Coinbase employees speak. One employee of the firm who spoke with Coindesk on the condition of an anomaly said the severance package was taken mostly by engineers, as opposed to less mobile employees. Unlike customer service, customer support, another source speaking on the condition of anonymity said the departures were pretty evenly distributed. Not bad. I'm worried that the severance package was too good. So they must have paid him pretty good then. If the guy's worried about the severance package being way too good. Cool. Well, yeah, I'm kind of there's actually more on that article, but I'm gonna kind of stop it right there. But awesome guys. So yeah, I appreciate you, your new subscribers, subscribing. If you're not subscribed to the, if you're watching this, maybe you didn't have a chance to get on the live, but you like the content, you want to, learn more about it. Whatever you do, get subscribed. Um, go down to that red subscribe button and get subscribed. Hit that, and also hit the notification bell next to it, and so that way you can't miss out on live videos or general videos. And don't forget to smash the like button to help out the YouTube algorithm. Definitely going to keep it coming this week. Looks like a lot of good stuff's going on. Definitely get out there, take advantage of those investments. I'm trying to think, trying to think if I'm missing anything. Um, yeah, I really like these lives. I like sometimes I do more interactions, depending on, you know, as people are commenting. Um, but yeah, I'm definitely looking at. Hey, how's it going, Face? Yes, I am on again, and you just hit the tail end of the whole. So, FYI, just to give you a heads up. Um, yeah, so Face just joined us here real quick. Yeah, pretty much wrapping things up, but yeah, so Bitcoin basically just had a pretty good increase of like someone bought like $50 million worth of Bitcoin, so pretty cool. So definitely get out there. Um, yeah, guys, get out there. Check out that Robinhood investing app. Teach your mama. You know, let me know how it keeps going, and let's definitely turn this baby around. Um, I'm Money Manny with HTX TV coming at you from the Texas Gulf Coast area. Let me see. Oh, nice. Bar mitzvah. Awesome. Congratulations, Face, on your bar mitzvah. Cool. Actually, I'm pretty much done here. Yeah, if you're not subscribed, get subscribed or I'll cancel your Fortnite account. And yeah, just happy investing. And small disclaimer before I go, anything you hear on these video, definitely whatever you choose to do, this video is purely for entertainment purposes only. So whatever you choose to do after this video, you're definitely on your own. Face, I'll be keeping in touch here. I'm going to be off, but you guys keep making that money, keep blowing it up. I don't have any money here to throw around, but the money's going up, and you guys will too. Y'all have a good one.